Let the calendar do the calculation. This show, right now, we figured out that we needed it to be at 7 o'clock Eastern Time on Sunday the 25th. We wanted to create, episode 316 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So you just leave it at that. Say, okay, we're going to make it Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Then, if we make sure that the calendar is set for our current time, which is now Tonga, it's a ways away here. And there are other choices too, like Tonga is the same as New Zealand. Anybody see Tonga? Which way am I going? +3, we're at like +13, right?
Right.
Tonga Standard Time. So now my calendar is in the right time. I put the event in as Eastern Time, and it will tell me what time, our time, we need to be at work. And that is Monday the 26th at 1 p.m. If you try to make the calculation yourself, trust me,
you'll go crazy.
You won't get it right. So you put events in at the time where the event is happening. Let it calculate the time where you are.
It's important to realize, though, that your calendar dates are separate from your system dates when you go in there. So you have to do it in two places and make sure that it corresponds to where you actually are. And that throws a lot of people off. It threw me off. And, it still throws me off. I still have to get used to it. But we're changing time zones all the time because we live on a cruise ship and we're traveling.
So yeah, my computer still says it's Sunday the 25th because I have not changed the setting in my computer system. The calendar is separate. Good point. Good point.
My clock on my computer says that it's Monday the 26th because I have changed it.
So the 25th, what happened to the 25th for us?
We didn't have one.
Crossing the international, I say it just sent it down to Davy Jones' locker. No January 25th.
Not for us.